Start. One fish. Double. Two fishes. Fell in the well. Double. Three fishes. Three fishes. Fell in the well. Double. Four fishes. Four fishes. Fell in the well. Double. Five fishes. Five fishes. Fell in the well. Double. Six fishes. Six fishes. Fell in the well. Double. Seven fishes. Out. పిచ్చి పట్టింది, పిచ్చి ముదిరింది, పిచ్చి వదలాలి. Eight fishes. Double. Nine fishes. పనిష్మెంట్ నెంబర్ 2. చూడండి ఇక్కడ పిచ్చి గంతులు వేస్తున్నాడు కుక్క మొహం వేసుకొని.